Gerald, what do you want to do today? Iwan, yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Sniff, are you okay? I do know. Achoo! I cannot stop sniff. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry, but if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be forever. But Joey, no. Do not speak. It's too late. Goodbye. Gerald? Huh? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make business! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make me sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.